A Dave app update can temporarily break features even when nothing is wrong with your account. Login problems, crashes, missing balances, failed transfers, and loading errors often appear after a major app update until the app or server finishes syncing. By the end of this video, you'll know how to figure out whether the problem is on your device or on Dave's side and what to do next. Start by completely closing the Dave app and reopening it. If you're on Android, remove it from the recent apps screen before launching it again. On iPhone, swipe it away from the app switcher and reopen it. A fresh launch can clear temporary issues caused by the update. If the problem continues, restart your phone. This reloads background services that the updated app depends on and often fixes crashes or freezing. Next, check your App Store for another Dave update. Developers sometimes release a follow-up patch shortly after a major update to fix bugs reported by users. If you're already running the latest version, make sure your phone's operating system is also up to date. An older version of Android or iOS can sometimes cause compatibility problems with newly updated apps. Check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If the app works on one connection but not the other, the issue may be network-related rather than caused by the update itself. If Dave isn't loading your account correctly, sign out if possible and sign back in. This refreshes your session and forces the app to retrieve your latest account information from Dave's servers. On Android, you can also clear the app cache from your phone's settings without removing your account. If that doesn't help, uninstall the app and install it again from the official App Store. Reinstalling replaces damaged app files that may have been left behind during the update. If many users are reporting the same issue after the update, the problem may be on Dave's servers. In that case, waiting for the next app update or a server-side fix is usually the fastest solution. If nothing changes after trying these steps, contact Dave support through the app or official support channels and include your device model, operating system version, app version, and a screenshot of the error message. To recap, restart the app, reboot your phone, install any new updates, check your internet connection, reinstall the app if needed, and contact support if the issue continues. If this guide saved you time, leave a like, subscribe for more Dave app fixes, and check out our other troubleshooting videos.